Hey guys, this is the review for the third day of our stuff. We're looking at functions and inverses. And to start off with, we're going to look at some function operations. This is the same as saying that we want g of 7 plus f of 7. And what that means is that we're going to plug these things in. So g of 7 is 3 times 7 plus 1, which is 22. F of 7 is 7 squared minus 4, which is 45. And if I'm adding those together, 22 plus 45 is equal to 67. Number 41 is similar. Number 40, we're doing subtraction, so I'll take a look at that one. So this is really f of negative 2 minus g of negative 2. F of negative 2 is going to be negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 4. G of negative 2 is 2 times negative 2 squared minus 3. Negative 2 squared is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 3 is 5. And then the first one minus the second one is going to be negative 9 is our answer. 42, now we've got composition. That means we're going to find the inside f of 3 first. And whatever we get, we're going to plug into g. So f of 3 is going to be 3 cubed plus 5. 3 cubed is 27. Plus 5 gives us 32. And then we got g of 32. So 4 times 32 plus 2, that's 128. Plus 2 is 130. Looking at 46, h minus g of n, that's the same thing as h of n minus g of n. So negative 2n squared plus 3 minus n minus 1. This is really combining like terms problem, so we got negative 2n squared. Minus n would be the next thing, and then we got minus minus, which is really plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. For number 47, this is really just adding these two things together, so that's going to be negative n minus 5 plus n squared minus 3. That's going to be n squared minus n minus 8, and you're done at that point. In order to find the inverse, what we're going to do is write this as x is equal to 3y minus 1, and then solve for the new y. So x plus 1 is equal to 3y. Divide by 3, and we get our new inverse is y equals x plus 1 over 3, which happens to be D. For number 54, same thing. X equals 4y plus 4. X minus 4 is equal to 4y. We get y is equal to x minus 4 over 4. For number 55, we're finding the inverse of each relation. That just means I'm switching the order of the points. So we get 3, 2, negative 3, 4, 0, negative 1, and 1, 17. All of these are going to be exactly the same. You're just swapping the x and the y. So 5, 2, negative 11, negative 5, 6, 11, and 7, 7.